Moo. Okay. Moo. You said you were gonna sing. Can you sing?
No, first I gotta stroke your kitty.
Please sing.
No, you gotta let me stroke the kitty first. Your kitty cat.
No, come on,
Yeah,
please.
puss. Yeah, puss.
Can you sing?
No, I can't. I've lost my confidence now.
Why?
Cause I don't know.
Trust me, you have a nice voice. Sing.
No,
Sing. You do a nice girl voice. Sing.
no.
Sing.
Why? Why can't you get another girl to do for you?
No, I don't want to hear a girl. I want to hear a boy act like a girl.
You get another boy then.
No, please, come on, come on.
Get a fob to sing for you. Go on. They sing good. You know them lot. They sing Bangla songs proper nice. You know, they're properly because they're pros, aren't they? Go on. Get one of your fobs to do for you. They'll do it nicely.
Oh, I hate
record
fobs. Come on, come on, come on.
I can't do it. I'm telling you, I'm not a Bangla guy. I'm not a Bangla boy.
Would you like to hear the song again?
No, thanks, please. Don't put it on.
If you want, I can sing with you.
Okay. Do you know what? I need encouragement. Yeah. Wait. Just hang on. Someone's sending me a link. Oh shit.
Rawr.